Kaliang Persya Kongres Hakalai Podrik Yayong kalakan thoting Persya yakasor karjela da kabaong yakakam bamsap kabajurba ialam na ophis jong Myntri Rangbah kajela CMO. Habakren Syllad Patay Kubor, Joint Secretary ka AICC u Anthony Matthew, ulaong baka Political Executive Meeting ka MPCC, ka balalong ne ka singibalang, kalawan ra ya kamat halor ki Kynnoh kam bamsap kabajur Persya ya ka sorkar, balayalam da ka National People's Party NPP. Ha kababoro ki bat Kynnoh kilong bandi kabala kentiyo ki dor ki mur jong ki jingdon kam bakongsan, kijing jong kinong shnong ka Meghalaya kilas dang na ki kam bamsap lingba ki kam sam bat siya ki weipat ki kam bamsam. Pikta ya kano ka daybet ka kam bamsap ulaong. Baro ki degi bamla asyu bantela kam bat Myntri Rangbah umla ban pendan kam ya kano ka bor halur ka sorkar jong namar ya ka kam bamsap ka bejorba ialam na ka ophis jong kumta ya ki kam bamsap ki bakham hapo ru sham lala ban khanglan kabade ka jingsong kya kabala penpau da kinong tre ka Congress ha kate ka jingalang kentho shushu Matthew. Halor kani unong yalam ke AICC upentip baka Congress kalarai ban shim bat bishar benya ya kini kipang bat kiman na kabenta ka jimanto jung pat ba nong shnong ka jala Meghalaya.
We had our political executive committee meeting as decided by the AICC and we passed a resolution on the horrific terror attack in Pahalgam against the civilian citizens, and we unanimously approved and resolved the AICC resolution to support the Government of India unanimously against this horrific terror attack and to take any actions against the people who have caused this pain and immense injury to the people of our country. We also resolved to condole the death of the Roman Catholic Pope, His Holiness Pope Francis, who was one of a kind of a peacemaker in this era which we all have witnessed. And the MPCC under the leadership of our CLP, Baroni, and a delegation where we all went and met the Roman Catholic head here in Meghalaya, Archbishop Victor Lingdo, and passed over our resolution to him. We also wanted to convey to the people of Meghalaya that the attempt of the BJP to tarnish the integrity and reputation of the Congress and the Gandhi family with the National Herald and Associated Journal Limited case was discussed in length, and we explained to our leadership and to also the people of Meghalaya through our people, through the districts and the blocks, to say that this case has no factual evidence, no money transfer, no government involvement in any form from the time of its origin of this matter till date. And then the government has used Enforcement Directorate to fabricate a case which is non-existent to tarnish the image of the Gandhi family and the Congress, which has been fighting for this country from the time of independence till now. The reason why it is because the BJP realizes that despite their short-term electoral wins based on propaganda and right-wing fundamentalism, it is very clear that they still are insecure about remaining in power because they are very, very sure about the presence of the Gandhi family and Congress at a high value in every single soul of the people of India and the people in the state of Meghalaya. So it is our responsibility to have this communicated to our team, which was unanimously approving and offering the support to convey this message to the people of Meghalaya. And that is what the political executive committee, which we had yesterday, discussed on this one. The political executive committee also raised issues on the exorbitant corruption allegations against the NPP government, where anything and everything is for sale, and which has increased the cost of living, which has increased the difficulties, which has increased the burden of the people of Meghalaya, starting from water scam to all other scams. You touch anything, it is a scam. The MGNREGA scam. Everything is going out of control, and the chief minister is not able to exercise any control over his administration because large corruptions are being led from the chief minister's office, and then hence the lower level corruptions cannot be even addressed to, which is a concern which is being raised by the Congress workers during the political executive committee. We have resolved that we will take up this matter, we will study these matters and take this issue up with the people of Meghalaya for the interest of the people of Meghalaya. That is what I have to communicate, and I leave the rest of the communication to the media by Ma Deborah, the working president of MPCC.